Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the essentials, the video file and one subtitle tool. If you want speed, use an automatic transcriber. If you need precision, pick a manual editor. Once done, check the video's duration and frame rate so subtitles sync correctly. Make sure to install or open your chosen app, for example, Subtitle Edit for manual timing or Whisper-based tools for fast machine transcripts. Then import the video. This moves you straight into generating or creating the first subtitle lines. Now create or import the text and align it to the audio. If you used auto-transcription, clean up errors and add speaker names where useful. You do this because machines mishear homophones and punctuation. Once you have clean text, split long sentences into readable chunks and shift timecodes so each subtitle appears when spoken. Make sure each subtitle stays on screen long enough, typically 1 to 7 seconds, and verify the FPS or time base matches the video for consistency. Finish by exporting or embedding your subtitles in the correct format. If you need editable captions, choose SRT or VTT. If you want styled captions, export as. Once exported, load the subtitle file in multiple players and on your target platform to confirm timing, line breaks, and UTF-8 encoding. If things go wrong, shift the whole subtitle timeline by a few milliseconds, recheck the video's FPS, or run forced alignment to resync automatically. This fixes most remaining drift or offset problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.